welcome to our YouTube channel Arya and Ghazal World. Today we will be taking you to Botanic Garden. So basically it's very easy to get there. You can just use any public transport, but we used MRT and it dropped us at the Botanic Garden MRT station. It's open all days of the week, 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. Don't forget to bring sunscreen and umbrella because it's very sunny on the day and it might rain in the afternoon. Today's video will focus about Jacob Ball's Children's Garden. It's the perfect spot for children to play and learn about life. It opened on Children's Day, October 1, 2007. They have many activities for children, just like the suspension bridge, cave, tree house, a maze, and a really fun activity called the flying fox. If you're visiting the children's garden, I'm pretty sure you're gonna have some quality and fun time. It's an awesome place for children. You can explore, play, grow. There's a farm, there's a stream, and an orchard.
We're going to the children's area to play.
Just always maintain social distancing and put on your mask for safety. And also when you enter, you should sign in with Trace Together. This is the children's sand playground. You can do many activities. You can build sand castles and show your imagination. Now we'll enter the maze. Watch your way or else you will say, I'm lost. They do have a learning garden, and if you follow all the signages, you may learn many things. This is a bunker from World War II, and as you can see, life is still growing on the concrete walls. Very surprising. Not to mention the forest is and there was this really fun activity called the flying fox, and I'm very sure you will love it.
I made it. Let's go up here. Mom, come on. Let's go up here. Mommy. Oh, look at this. Let's go through here.
Oh, nice. Come fast, come fast.
Okay, I'm coming faster. Ah! Almost fell. What was that? Droplets.
So we really had a good time, and I don't know about my family, but I want to go again. I mean every day. All these activities were really friendly for kids and they were just really safe. Although I still recommend supervision from an adult or a guidance or your parents. As a really young explorer, I learned a lot about life, nature, and what nature beholds. There was nature all around us. The trees, the plants, the bugs, they're all part of one thing. They're all part of us, and we're part of nature. Short speech. Singapore Botanic Garden was confirmed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and now it's like the third World Heritage Site of UNESCO. The first one was in England, second one was in Italy, and third is Singapore. It's also actually the first Asian UNESCO World Heritage Site, I guess. I'm proud of that. And I'm also proud it's in the country I live in, Singapore. Proud. This beautiful garden is home to a rainforest and many tall trees. One of the trees is on the $5 bill of Singapore. But now place also holds an amphitheater for a free enjoying evening concert. This place is wonderful. You can just bring picnic mat for your comfort and pack some food while listening to the great music. There's also a national orchid garden, but you have to pay a small amount to get a ticket.
Wow, look, there's also a waterfall over here.
The Swan Lake is another beautiful attraction you must see. It is really beautiful and you can just admire the beautiful reflection of the trees with the beautiful swans. The Botanic Garden is a big and really beautiful place. It's an awesome picnic spot and you must go if you visit Singapore. It's awesome and we loved it. It's really close to the MRT, so you can go there easily.
Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe our video.
Bye bye.